The third type of conditional expression that we're going to explore is coalesce. Now, this addresses a scenario where maybe you have one data value that's spread across multiple fields. A very common scenario in using coalesce is when you're trying to drive values, maybe like a phone number. And in the case of Salesforce, maybe you've got your phone number spread across 3 or even 4 fields. So what coalesce will do is it will evaluate each individual fields in the function and then return the first non-null value. So let's actually look at this in practice. I'm going to select star from lead. And then I'm going to add a comma. And then I'm going to add the coalesce function. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start typing phone. So I've got a column called phone. And then I'm assuming that we've got multiple, maybe we type in mobile phone and home. No, we don't have home phone. So we'll just use phone and mobile phone. And I'm going to name the field consolidated phone. And let's go ahead and just run this. And what that will do is it will evaluate the phone column and then the mobile phone column. So in the event that we're missing a phone number, so we'll scroll over here. So you can see in this case, we have a pretty good fill rate on phone. And so let's look at mobile phone. And in this case, we had a poor mobile phone fill rate. But nonetheless, in this particular case, what coalesce is going to do is it's going to evaluate the phone column. And if there's no value, it will then evaluate the mobile phone to then bring back and return the consolidated phone number. So this is also useful for address fields, for state, potentially email if you have multiple email fields. And this saves you from having to write a complex case statement or if function. So very useful function to use in these particular scenarios, in particular when dealing with CRM data. So that gives you yet another tool in the toolbox when it comes to SQL conditional formulas.